Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Goa government revokes order suspending mining operations in state, revocation pursuant to Supreme Court and High Court verdicts. Legal experts say MMDR ordinance a fraud on federal democracy. Mines owners feel lease validity till 2020 wipes out illegality tag on mining post 2007. Union Ministry positive on funds for Goa tourism. 24 hours parking slot at W Airport agreed. Dilip Parulekar meets Union Ministers at Delhi. Prior residents peeved over electricity department for issuing electricity bills after 6 months. Burn bills. Regional demands waiving of electricity bill amount. And Goa enters semi-finals at Senior National Baseball Championship. Host man and women's team on track for double crown. And now the news in detail. Goa government has revoked its order suspending mining operations. After 2 years and 4 months, state government has revoked the order. Mines and Geology Department in its notification stated that state government has renewed mining leases under section 8(3) of the MMDR Act. Mines Department has renewed more than 80 mining leases. Following Shah Commission's report on alleged illegal mining, on 10 September 2012, former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had suspended mining operations in the state. After 2 years and 4 months, Goa government has revoked its suspension order. Mines and Geology Department has issued notification stating that state government has taken policy decision to process renewal application under section 8(3) of the MMDR Act. Till now, state government has renewed more than 80 mining leases. Though state government revoked its suspension order on mining, operation of mining cannot start immediately. Now, leaseholders have to take environment clearance from Ministry of Environment and Forest. Similarly, leaseholders have to submit mining plan to the Indian Bureau of Mines. Following the state government suspension order, Ministry of Environment and Forest has suspended the environment clearances of all 90 mining leases. That order still exists. Supreme Court had banned mining operations hearing to writ petition filed by Goa Foundation. Later, Supreme Court relaxed its ban order on 21st April 2014. Mining suspension has created havoc in the state. Meanwhile, Mines Department along with Mapsa Police raided a stone quarry at Nadoda and seized 2 JCB, 3 power tiller and 1 truck. Reporter Mahesh Kadi for Prudent. The amended MMDR ordinance is a fraud on federal democracy. Centre should not supersede powers of the state government as mentioned in the ordinance. Legal experts feel the ordinance has many grey areas. Mine owners feel if leases are valid till 2020, then mining from 2007 to 2012 should not be termed as illegal. Environmentalists feel that legality cannot be retrospective. Mines owners, legal expert and environmentalists spoke on the MMDR ordinance in Prudent's weekly debate.
Now, if it is considered as a grant, then it could go up to 50 years. But if it is an extension, then when was it first granted? See, these are issues, these are certainly grey areas.
Cleofat Bab म्हणतात की there is a big grey area, which is creating huge confusion.
100%. आता 2020 पर्यंत शांती दवरया. ते कितें मध्ये 5 वर्सां मेळटा तातूंत ती क्लॅरिफिकेशनां करया पण पयलीं आमी कामाक लागोया. To 2020. So where is the question of illegality?
If the leases are valid till 2020, there was no illegal mining in Goa from 2007 to 2012.
See, what Supreme Court has said was before this ordinance.
And if that lease is renewed before the ordinance,
then it gets protected up to 2020 minimum.
So then 2007 to 2012.
That will have to be dealt under the old law.
ओल्ड लॉ. यू आर सेइंग दॅट द लिगॅलिटी कॅनॉट बी रिट्रोस्पेक्टिव्ह. हातूंत भितर एक वाक्य आसा की स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटाचे किंवा खंयची ऑर्डर जी आसा ताजेर सेंटराची खंयची ऑर्डर फाल्यां सुपरसीड करपाक शकता म्हणून.
This ordinance is a fraud on parliament. Total fraud. A new bill was pending before the parliament. They have not brought that bill into an ordinance. They have brought a separate ordinance which was not even circulated. This ordinance is also a fraud on the federal democracy.
स्टेटीच्या पावर्साचेर खंय तरी स्टेट हांगा सेंटर हांगा एक्सीड करता.
करूंक जाय कित्याक आयची ती परिस्थिती आसा इंडस्ट्रीची.
सेंटर जर हे सगळी पावर घेता जायत आमी अशें मानुया की किंग कॅन नॉट डू रॉंग म्हणटात त्या तर 2G स्पेक्ट्रम कशें येयलें, कोळसा घोटाळा कशें येयले, सेंट्रला कडेन सगळी पावर आसलेले तेंच्यांनी हे सगळे स्कॅम केले ना. म्हणजे आतां आनीक स्कॅम करपाचे पूर्ण अधिकार सेंटर आपल्या कडेन घेतले आनी यू कॅनॉट क्वेश्चन दॅट.
Union Tourism Minister Dr. Mahesh Sharma has assured Goa to promote tourism and assist in building required infrastructure. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in Delhi. Parulekar also confirmed that Navy has agreed to allot parking slot for 24 hours parking for chartered flights. Union government has also assured to fulfill all other necessary demands related to tourism in Goa.
State Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar met Union Tourism Minister Dr. Mahesh Sharma on Thursday. Parulekar put forth tourism-related demands before the Union Minister. Centre has agreed to fulfill these demands. Civil Aviation Minister Gajpati Raju, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar were also present during the meet.
गेल्या 2-2.5 वर्सांक जो फंड आसलो तो फंड मेळचो आनी बेगींतल्या बेगीन मेळचो म्हणून आमी प्रयत्न केलो. तेंच्यांनी आमकां उतर दिलां की ते फंड जो आहा तो दिता म्हणून. आणि टुरिझम रिलेटेड आणि ज्यो 4 गोष्टी आमकां करपाक जाय आसल्यो तेंकाय आमी तेंच्यांनी होकार दिल्लो आसा. ऑनरेबल रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्या बरोबर आमी एविएशन मिनिस्टर गजपती राजू हांकां मेळ्ळे. आमच्या एअरपोर्टाचेर जे पार्किंग व्यवस्था भायली जी फ्लायटां येता भायली जी इंटरनॅशनल फ्लायटां येता तांकां पार्किंग प्लेसाची गरज आसता. आमी आमची एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री आपले नेव्ही आर्मी हेंच्या वांगडा सगळ्यां वांगडा बसून आमी डिसायड केल्लें आसा की पार्किंग स्लॉट जो आसा तो पार्किंग स्लॉट आमकां दिसाकूय मेळटलो आनी रातीकूय मेळटलो.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.